So, dude,
Yeah.
are we going to cut up a perfectly good Air Jordan 1? What's up, C-Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Dad and Son.
Kick Talk. And today, we are going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 OG prototype.
Oh, yeah.
You know the prototype?
Uh-huh.
What about this song right here? It's one of my favorite songs by a group. Tell me if you know the name.
Oh,
I hope that you're the one. That was a little off. If not, you are the prototype. You know what that's from?
I have no clue.
Oh, hip-hop. Outkast, man. Song called Prototype.
That does not sound like Outkast at all.
It's like the hook, the chorus kind of deal. No, actually just the beginning.
From what?
From an Outkast album.
Oh.
I'll play it for you later. But anyway, we're talking about the Air Jordan prototype. This is a shoe that, you know, isn't a super hype shoe. It's not a big collab. It's not a Travis or anybody else. It's not, you know, a Union or anything like that. But it is a fire shoe to me.
Yeah.
You know, Jordan brand is
yeah. But there is something super cool about it. Guess what?
What?
This shoe right here is DIY-able.
It is DIY-able.
Uh-huh.
You can get your craft on if you choose to.
Yeah.
And we're going to figure out what we're going to do with it as we walk through the shoe now.
Yeah.
But for starters, the box, right? I'm a big fan of this box.
Me too.
Jordan brand, you know, for 36 years now, has been doing the same black and
box
red.
with the red,
Yeah. They're taking some liberties now, right?
Good.
We saw it with the Pollins box, is black with the yellow. And then you've got like the Travis boxes, the Travis Fragment with the white and blue, blue and white. And then this one, they're doing kind of the colors of the shoe itself. It's like kind of light powder blue, orange. Then you got like a royal blue.
A little teaser on this side though, you know what I'm saying? Like you look at the box, you kind of can tell what's gonna come up soon. It's like, it's perforated, you know?
Uh-oh, like some instructions. Like
exactly.
Like you cut out right, you cutting out things. So let's see, basic Jordan 1 box. The colors, I like this too. The box itself on the outside, it's like the tan or like sand color with like an orange. And when we get to the shoe, you'll see that the box really does mirror the shoe itself.
For real.
Yeah, the colors, right?
Wow, yeah.
So this is the shoe.
Yeah.
The materials on this are actually pretty nice. I think so. You've got like some nice details. Nigel, check that one out.
Yeah.
But you got the embroidered swoosh on the top of the toe box. A nice smooth leather.
This is valid, I can't lie.
Yeah, it's got some cool colors. Like the materials are all different.
Oh, what's the material they have on this like little beige color right here? I love this.
Yeah, the nubuck.
The nubuck. Yeah, I've heard that word so many times.
You got some nubuck shoes. Like the Lightning's a nubuck, the Jordan 1 UNC's a nubuck.
Yeah, that nubuck.
But also around the edge of this toe box, you see that gray. It's like a 3M reflective trimming around the toe box. See this light on this edge?
Oh, yeah, what's that for?
Just to give you some different color. You know, light hits it, you get a little reflection on it.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. Pretty cool. And then also, which is so different, is right here on this like side panel near the swoosh, is more 3M. So this is reflective too. But usually that's all leather. Sure.
All right, but here is the crazy part, right? Look at this shoe. You see? So like, don't look at this, right? See how the shoe has like the gray and brown and orange on this part, right? Exactly like the box. The bottom part of the box, we have the gray and orange and brown on it.
Yeah.
But then you reveal that, and you have the blue, and that's what the top lid of the box was. So the box literally looks exactly like the shoe.
It
and that's
does.
like, that's something super special. You never actually see that happening with the shoe.
It mimics it, right? Like
Exactly.
right in the same colors. Pretty slick. to be
And
honest.
now, here comes the cool part. Ready? Let me see this. Look at the box. Look, here's a little spoiler. A little sneak peek. Something subtle. Look at what you could do with the box.
Take the top off.
What do you think you could do with the shoe?
Oh! Boom! My mind was just blown. All right, so before we get further into the shoe, Nigel, tell me what's your thoughts, you know, just first look.
Yeah.
Just seeing the shoe initially out the gate.
I love it, actually. I think it looks really cool. I'm gonna give it a, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
8?
Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty high.
Yeah, it's a
I
good
think
shoe.
that's pretty high. Again, this isn't like, you know, it's something that I think you probably can still get these for close to retail right now, like on StockX or whatever.
It's not too, you know, it's not too special, but it's you know, it's just a good shoe.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of Jordan 1s, but I do like they're breaking away from like some of the traditional additional colorways, just you know, black and white, red.
Yeah.
You know, we're getting some different things. They're getting real creative. We got this powder blue nubuck up top.
Yeah.
And this royal blue, you can see it there around the collar of the shoe.
That is cool how they put in like features in it. They don't like normally put into actual like normal Jordan shoes.
Yeah, exactly. And this has the black tongue with orange, and then the back of the tongue, it's almost like the orange underneath, which is cool. Yeah.
Oh.
Like the material's like an orange under there as well.
That's cool. What?
Yeah. And they come with the black laces. You got blue, white, and there's an orange pack. I think that fell off my little thing here, but it's orange.
Okay.
Orange. There we go.
Now you're probably thinking, it's really uncommon for a shoe to have 4 different laces that it comes with. But you'll soon realize that the different laces come with different shoes. Some of these laces, for example, the orange lace, might not look too good with the shoe we have here, but it will look good with the shoe we have later.
All right, so as you were alluding to, yes, this is a shoe, the prototype, where Jordan Brand and Nike is kind of giving you a guide to turning this Jordan 1 high.
We can cut the top off the shoe
into a Jordan 1 low. So are we fans of lows?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are we fans of highs?
Yeah.
But should we just go buy a pair of lows, or should we turn a high into a low? That's a good question. Because here's the take, right? Here's the thing. We cut this, it gives you the little dash lines around the collar, tells you exactly where to cut, right? To make it a low. But then when you do that, you still got this long tongue.
Dad, stop doing that. Listen, don't listen to a word he's saying. All right, he's just trying to get away from the fact that he doesn't want to cut the top off of his shoes. I'm the one who's trying to convince him to do that, but he's trying to convince y'all that it doesn't make any sense to cut off the top of these shoes.
I'm just presenting both sides of the argument, man.
We're cutting off the top of the shoe, all right? We are going to decapitate these shoes.
What do you think? Do you think we should cut the top off the shoe? You know, it's not a convertible. We're going to take the roof off. You know what I mean? Should we do that? Would you do it? If this was yours, did you get a pair? Did you cut the top off of yours? Let us know down in the comments.
And we are going to cut. Seed Squad, if you want to see us cut the top off of these Air Jordan 1 prototypes, then subscribe right now.
All right, well, I brought some tools in just in case we decide, to do such a thing. We got this self-healing mat so you don't make a mess and like destroy your tables and things. Yeah. It's actually my daughter, this is Nadia's, for all of her crafts. Yeah. Check out her channel too, Nadia's. But man, this is like giving me a little bit of like a heart palpitation, right? I got a perfectly good shoe. I love the different colors and how they kind of work together for a nice high top. We cut it, we got this long tongue, might have to get some short shoelaces. It's not the end of the world, but I think it is. It makes for just something good to see, something different. Whoa, take it easy. Take it easy. We got an X-Acto knife. We got some good scissors.
It's time.
All right, if we're gonna do this, I'm gonna start this process, son.
What?
Hey, man.
You didn't even want to do it at first.
I know, but it's kind of like giving somebody else your, I don't know, something. Think about it. If it's gonna be cut, do you want you to cut it or you want somebody else to cut it?
I got you. All right, I'll let you do the honors, Dad, all right?
You sure?
Yes.
I'll let you start it. How about that?
You want me to start? Psych!
Let me start it.
Okay.
Man, we really about to do this?
Here's what I'd do if I were you. I'd like start off by like kind of making guide points, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, yeah, that's the point of the dashes.
Oh yeah, do that.
Work my way around. Man.
Come on, Dad. You have to. Let's go. Come on.
Oh man. Man, once I start this, I can't stop, man.
So start, Dad.
All
right, wait. Enjoy your final moments with the whole shoe, Dad. Enjoy it, because this is the last time you'll see it in one piece. You want to give it a kiss?
I don't know, man. I don't know if I can do it.
You know. Give the shoe a kiss and then be on with your way, Dad.
No, I'm not kissing the shoe.
I got you. I'll do it for you. Till Valhalla, my friend.
Till Valhalla?
All right.
It's a Valhalla.
Now go.
Oh, hope this is sharp enough.
Oh,
man.
Oh, he's doing it.
Oh, right along the line.
Oh, my goodness. It's like surgery. Hey, chill. I'm going to cut the tongue. Wow, it's really...
I'm not. It's like, it's perforated, right?
Yeah.
But it's like, it's actually not that hard to cut through.
Oh, good.
Like I thought it would be. I mean, this is a pretty good X-Acto knife, too.
Yeah.
It's pretty new.
It's like surgery.
What are we doing here, dude?
Oh, man. Want me to try?
Wait a minute. I'll let you get the other side.
Yeah, you good. See
how I'm right across the line?
I don't know if I'm going to have that kind of accuracy with it, to be honest.
Yeah, you might be right. Why don't you let me just finish this one?
Okay, I'll do the other one.
Then we'll see what that looks like. This is really giving me a agita.
A what?
That's what they call it. It's like a Like your stomach and everything is in knots. Like, can you believe you're doing this? Not really. Never thought I'd get a pair of shoes like this and say, yeah, let's just cut these up.
Hey, you'll have a good pair of lows after this, huh?
All right, y'all, we about to take the roof off.
Yes. There we go.
Wow. Yo.
Boom.
That's it. We did it.
Decapitated.
We did one. Let's see what we got here.
Man.
So you got this orange exposed foam. I mean, the exposed foam really is like a thing right now in Nikes in general. Still got this long tongue. I'm envisioning maybe somehow I get this tongue sewed to be shorter.
Cut the tongue off too.
Nah, I don't want a ragged edge tongue. I mean,
nah, never mind.
With no Nike Air, that'd be just weird a little bit. So yeah, what do y'all think?
I like it, to be honest. I think it looks better like this.
Yeah?
Yeah, because now you have like one fluid colored, colored palette throughout the whole thing.
Yeah.
So then like the orange laces will go better with it too. So I like this more as a low. My turn.
I say we just let me do them both, and we'll just end the video now.
Bruh. No! We will not. Give me this knife. My turn.
It's a little too,
I got it.
You're playing a little too much with this process, man. This is serious, dude.
I'm like one of the fun doctors that are really just entertaining people outside of the workplace, but then they get in there and they do all the surgeries perfectly.
And they're doing heart surgeries and everything else.
They're very likable people. You know what I'm saying? I got you. All right?
All right, man.
All right.
Let's see what you got.
Let's go.
Take it easy. You got to take the stuff out of the shoe first.
Of course. I do that.
A little harder than you thought, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know, Seat Squad. He's focused, I'll give him that. He's doing good following the line. Stay on that line though, buddy. So we did it. This is the Jordan 1 chopped down from a high to a low. Nigel did one shoe and it looks like you're trying to sign your work.
There we go. NS on the tag, just so they know who this shoe was customized, redesigned by.
This guy thinks he's Virgil now.
I am. I'm the new generation Virgil, Nigel Seed.
Just chopping Jordan 1s off.
Yeah. But it looks sick though, doesn't it? I think it looks better at this.
Laced up. Like they look a lot better than I thought they were going to look.
That's what I'm saying.
And I thought the tongue was going to look crazy, like 6 foot high, like off of the shoe, but it really isn't.
Exactly.
And I do like the orange, like kind of exposed foam inside.
And when people come up to you on the street, they can see the little blue part and be like, oh, he cut the top off.
I took the roof off it. What's the song?
I took the top off.
I took the top off I cut the top off the Maybach.
I took the top off the Maybach.
Yeah, it's Future, right?
To the top of
my Maybach.
Yeah, that was Jay-Z, Future,
Beyonce. Yeah, there you go. We took the top off the Jordan.
Exactly.
What?
Dad, aren't you happy you did this?
It's a new experience. My mind is open to new things. So thanks to Jordan Brand for saying, we'll put these dashes here. I don't even know 100% if that was the point. Like, you guys at home can cut them.
Yeah.
But, people have been like speculating that that's what it was for. So, we did something different.
So you are happy?
I'm happy. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I can't say that in my wildest dreams, I think like, let me buy a brand new Jordan and then cut it and make it like a convertible. But seriously though, in the low, this is clean.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not super mad. I'm thinking like, do I tuck the tongue or something? We could do like the 4s.
No.
Or just let it ride.
No.
We'll have to put these on feet so we can see what they actually look like in this low top form.
Yeah, now Dad, let's get that on foot. And C Squad, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Iggity out.